We were looking for a site that we could use, a simple site for kids to record themselves reading out loud, reading test questions or a passage or a paragraph out loud. And what I found, the easiest one I found, and it's free, is Vocaroo. You go to vocaroo.com right here, and all you have to do is push the red button when you're ready to record. So I'm going to push the red button, and then you push the red button and you just start reading the passage that you need to read, or read the test questions or whatever. And when you're finished, you can simply push the red button again. And you can preview it. You can do it over again. Like there, it starts over again. So all you have to do is push the red button and it starts over again. Push it again and you have a new recording. You can also there, it starts over again. Listen to what you just recorded to make sure it's what you want. When you get what you want, you go ahead and hit save and share. Easiest thing on earth. There's a bunch of different options of sharing. My favorite, just download it. And I'm going to download it onto my computer here. The kids would download it into their drive, probably on their computers, if you're using a Chromebook. And it's downloading as an MP3 audio, which is exactly what you want. It's just a sound file. I'm going to hit save. Here it is down below. So if I go into my Finder, I'm going to go in. Here it is. I'm going to open it up, and it opens up in iTunes on this computer. There, it starts over again. So all you have to do is push the red button, and it starts over again. And there you go. And that is all there is to it. So that is Vocaroo. I think it's a really simple way to record kids reading out loud.